caravan salons at Dusseldorf, the 31st of August 2017. This is the Hobby Optima Deluxe Premium T75 HGE. And looking at it from this distance, well, you can see it's got an excellent sized garage. It's got 525 kilos of payload on a 3.5 ton basis. It costs 72,127 euros. It's 756 centimeters long, 233 centimeters wide, and 284 centimeters high. And in this case, it's been put on a 3,650 kilo basis. So if you had it on a 3.5 ton basis, that would come down accordingly. So it'd be around 400 kilos of payload. Well, even with a full tank of fuel, full tank of water, even if you haven't dumped your dirty water and yourselves, two of you, then really there is, I think there's still a little bit of leeway there. This is a 4-person van, so if there's 4 of you, it gets a bit tighter with, you'll have to dump your water, for example. Okay, single bed, so to speak, at the back, which can be made into double beds. Under here, under there, sorry, and there, you've got your hanging space, and here you've also got, it's the electrics in there. This here is covered because I think that's the wheel arch. Steps up to the bed. When this is pushed back, that goes back down that direction, and this is actually, you can't actually get in from there, but you might want to get in there from there instead. This comes out. There you go, and it makes a step. All right. Lockers around the bed. You've got 9 in total. Not so keen on the colour. Of course, that's just my taste. And you've got another bed up there. In here, oh, that's a nice bathroom. Okay, there's no ductboard. Two plug holes on both on the same side, but we've got this here. Now, I'm all for sliding doors, but I think a shower curtain does the job just as well in a van. In fact, I'd rather have the sliding door here, this thing here. I'd rather have this, personally speaking, I'd rather have it on the outside. It makes more sense. Anyway, that apart, there's a place to sit down while you're washing your feet, which is something I like to do. You will of course need a ductboard because you'll be trailing in and out of the toilet all the time. Bed above the lounge. Let's have a walk down here. Now, the bed has got a clearance of approximately 181 centimeters by my touch, and you can see here from the passenger side what the van looks like. The large table, which can be extended by a further third, which matches the kitchen top down there. Let's have a look at the front. You can see it's a Fiat 6-speed Euro 6 engine. You've got a bit of space in the bulkhead up here, so you can get your books or guides or other stuff that will go up there. And up the top here, you've got an openable skylight. Now, this has become quite standard in many vans, but I think when I came here to Dusseldorf 5 years ago, they'd just come out, and I thought that's absolutely brilliant. You can have skylight in the vehicle. 4 storage cabinets under the bed, and let's have a look at the bed, how the bed drops down. We've got this thing here, and the bed comes down like this. You push it in, that gets pushed in, and at the same time you pull it down like that. So I won't do it because it seems to have been blocked. I understand why they block it at trade fairs, to stop everybody messing around with it. Well, kitchen is very nicely appointed, I think. Lovely chest of drawers down there. Next to the kitchen is the fridge, which opens in a sensible direction, so you can be working at here and you can open it. Look how close it is. Pull the thing back. Yeah, that's great. and a bit more storage up there. We've also got storage up here, which is a good thing. You can't use this, of course, in here anyway when the car's in motion, and I think I'd be reluctant even to use this bit here when the car's in motion. Now you've got there approximately 2 centimetre ledge there to sort of hold things in, but I wouldn't leave stuff there. Well, I probably would, but that's only because I forgot to take them away. You know, plenty of space up here as well for prep and for washing up and the likes. And this is a rather cute thing. You see this in many hobby vans this year, or for 2018 I should say. So you've got 2 openings, and you've got that. That's quite a useful feature in my opinion. One of the things I must say about these blinds though is that because they're on runners, so you often the final bit, I can't get that won't open any further than that. So it does mean that a little bit of space is actually lost there at the top. Obviously I realise that colours are just a matter of taste, but I find this to be rather dark inside. For me, I like white in a van. Maybe it's because of my the Italian part of me. The white colour is very popular in Mediterranean countries. Glossy white at that, whereas in Northern Europe they go for more darker and sombre colours. It seems rather strange really, because I think in Northern Europe that's where you really need the light. Maybe it's because they're frightened of white, because it shows the data. Right, so there you have some ideas. Now, Hobby's got some really interesting vans this year. I wouldn't say that this one was one of the more interesting ones though, but there are a couple of really brilliant ones in the 6 metre lengths, so have a look at them. And there's one in particular which is really quite outstanding.